Here is the birthday boy in question.
Happy birthday.
Are in parking lot number A, in case anyone is wondering. I mean letter, sorry. Parking lot letter A. He got his fingers stuck in the parking lot. Wow. Short Hills. I peed in there before. This is to brush your boots so you don't bring invasive species back into the outside of Short Hills. Here's the birthday boy. Are you having a fun birthday?
Yeah, we had a smoothie and now we're going hiking.
Yeah.
Look at this hill.
Yeah, it's called Short Hills, but this is quite a big hill. Do you know what kind of bird that is? What kind of bird is that?
Watch out for the dirt piles. Oh, is that a trail? Oh, it goes down to the water.
That's horse poop, not dirt. There is a trail. There's a dragonfly butterfly.
Yeah. Look from down there on that leaf down there. You should see him fly around. It's kind of cool. Look.
Wow.
See him? What is it?
I don't have my glasses on, but it looks like a dragonfly.
Oh, it's a dragonfly.
Do you almost fall?
No.
Oh my gosh. Ouch. Oh, that's prickly actually. Be super careful. Careful not to step on the horse poop.
I didn't.
My shoelace came undone.
Paved.
On my new shoes. Tiku.
No, not yet. Not yet. Not yet. Let me get it to work first.
Okay, I'm not
This is too
recording.
thick.
I'm just waiting.
It's too thick, I think. I'll leave it alone. It didn't work.
Aww. But it's your birthday.
This one's not big enough.
Onwards and upwards we go, my friends. Here are the trails that we wanted to do. Oh my. It's a little muddy.
The video is just going to be you looking at a sign going... It jumped and leapt.
This is my honey and we're on a hike for 9 kilometers. I didn't realize it was so far, but we took one wrong turn and then kept walking, and then I opened all trails and we're in literally the middle of a 9-kilometer trail.
Somebody moved a stick that was in there. How did you miss so bad?
Oh no, we're blocked. Gotta turn around. Did you hear that? Guys, we're almost done. Hello everyone. We are done with our Short Hills trail of the day. We had lots of fun and I will show you my all trails. That's the trail that we took. And these are our stats. Woohoo! Goodbye. See you next time. Short Hills. Happy birthday.